the 6 laws of indices. I said in previous class that we shall look about the laws of indices, and there are 6 of them. So today I want us to learn about the 6 laws of indices. We know what is what we're about, and then we do one example. I think after then we'll be good to go. So introducing 6 laws of indices, we go direct to law 1 of indices. Law 1. What law means is simply Sharia. Like the way government has its own constitution, the same thing in indices. We have laws that you must follow so that you can find, if you find any question concerning laws of indices, you can easily find the answer using those laws. So we go direct to law 1. Law number 1. Law number 1 is about multiplication. Multiplication. Given x raised to a multiplied by x raised to b. So let me write the other side. So x, for example, you are given x in multiplication law. For example, you are given x raised to a multiplied by x raised to b. So this one gives, if you multiply any number, if you multiply a common number raised by a, we have seen that the base are x, and then they have been raised with a and b. So if in laws of indices, in multiplication turns the numbers you have raised with into addition. So we just take one of the common, the bases are x. These are the base. This is the base. This is the base. So we just take the base. We drop one. Then the numbers raised to turns into addition. A plus b. That is the first law of indices. The second law is about division. Division. Given x a raised to a divided by x raised to b, this equals to, if you find anything in this form, division means subtraction. So just take the one base, then we do a raised to a minus b, as simple as that. We go to third law. Third law is about power form. Power form. Power form, given x raised to a into b. So this one is simply just open the bracket. A, B. Fourth law of indices is about in roots. Even in roots. For example, you have been given root a x. This one x a. Law number 5, in negative form, in negative index or form, negative index. In negative index, for example, given x raised to negative a, this one equals to 1 over x raised to a. The last law is in zero index. In zero index, given x raised to 0 equals to 1. Anything, as usual, anything raised to 0 is 1. X raised to 0 equals to 1. So we go direct to, so these are the six laws of indices. First one is about multiplication. If you multiply x raised to a multiplied by x raised to b, you just take the common base, which is x raised to a plus b. The second law is about division. Division, x raised to a divided by x raised to b. You just get it, x raised to a minus b. Minus b. Because of this division, it becomes minus. Just take the common base, which is x raised to a minus b in division. In the power form, x raised to a in brackets raised to b outside the bracket. You just open the bracket in the power form. So it becomes x raised to a b. In roots, if you find number that is in roots like a root x, automatically become a x raised to 1 all over a. In negative index, x raised to negative a equals to 1 all over x, to remove this negative, over x raised to a, to remove this negative. This division remove this negative automatically. In zero index, any number raised to 0, that is obvious, 1. Any number raised to 0. So tukiangalia example ya hiyo laws of indices. Example moja, given 4 raised to 2y plus 5 raised to y divided by 4 raised to negative y multiplied by 5 raised to y. Kitu ya kwanza utafanya hapo, or the first step you do, you collect the like terms zenye ziko na same base. The one that have the same base. So the one that have the same base, this is the first one and this is the second one. The one with the number 4 base. Then the second one is this one that has the number 5 base. So let us collect those like terms in terms of base, common base. So it will become 4 raised to 2y divided by 4 raised to negative y plus, in bracket here, plus 5 raised to y multiplied by 5 raised to 2y. According to our laws, as we have seen earlier, if you see here the division turns then the power form into turns the division into negative. So let us see, 4 raised to 2y, we just take the common base, y, plus 5, we take the common base here is 5. Multiplication, it turns into addition, so y plus 2y, as simple as that. So negative 2 minus y, we get here 4 raised to 3y. Minus turns into addition, 3y plus 5 raised to y plus 2y becomes 3y. So the final answer becomes 4 plus 5 becomes 9, 3y. So this one is the final answer. And that's all about indices. If you have any question, you just drop a comment there and we shall look on our next class. Thank you.